So this riff's using the E minor pentatonic scale, and it sounds a bit like this. Now the riff's in 4 different sections. We're just going to learn the riff in each section, so one section at a time, and make sure you can play each section before moving on to the next one. It's quite repetitive, there's quite a lot of common themes running through it, so it shouldn't be too difficult for you. So, section number 1 then, we're starting off with finger 2 on fret 2 of string 4. So that's our middle octave, that's an E. And then we're going straight to open string 3, and then we're going straight to fret 2 on string 3, back to open string 3, and then back to fret 2, string 4. Now, what often happens in riffs is people vary the speed of notes, they vary the rhythm just to make it sound a bit more interesting. So we've got 2 different types of notes here. We've got some that are long notes, and then we've got some that are short notes, which are twice as fast. So it'd be like this: long, 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 short, short. Okay, now just to finish off the first half of this first section, we've just got open string 4, and then we're going back to fret 2, string 4, just to finish off, and they're both long notes. So it's long, 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 short, short, long, long. So just make sure you can play that before moving on. And just to finish off this first section, we're literally just playing fret 3 on string 6, low note, and open string 6. And they're both long notes as well, and they come in just after that first part of the riff. Long, 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 short, short, long, 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 long. So riff 2, the second part of the riff is very, very similar. The first half is exactly the same. So when we've played through that and we finish back on fret 2, string 4, instead of playing the bass notes, this time we play open string 5, and we use what's called a hammer-on. So make sure you viewed the beginner technique lesson on legato or hammer-ons and pull-offs. So we're going to hammer on with finger 2 onto fret 2 of string 5. So remember, it's just a positive tap in order to create the note, keep the volume of the note, because remember we only pluck it once. So we just pluck the open string and create the second note with our second finger. And then after that, we're going to play open string 4. And that's the end of riff 2, the second part of the riff. So what often happens when people use hammer-ons and pull-offs is they use them to create faster notes. So the hammer-on and the open string are both fast notes, so it's fast, fast, and open string 4 is a long note. So with the phrasing of all of that second section, it sounds a bit like this. Long, 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 short, short, long, long, short, short, long.